But I got a taste for something different. What I'm gonna eat? I just need something different.
What am I about to cook? Not that. Not that. Oh, firecracker Brussels sprouts. Me in the kitchen. Add the Brussels sprouts into the oil. And this is what's called firecracker.
You need more clothes to do this.
Red onions and chopped up bacon.
Add our balsamic glaze to this party. And then you just toss them.
No, this can be at the table.
I think this is a good appetizer though.